Look at this angel. Hi. Sniffy's kisses. You having a good day? You having a good day? So gorgeous. Hey guys, welcome to another week's vlog. It is Thursday. I failed again. I just now starting this, clearly, because you just started watching it. Off today. I was actually off on Tuesday as well. And Tuesday I watched the entire first season of The Handmaid's Tale. So I really did nothing else. My skin's looking great. You guys see that? Like, what's going on? I look a little flushed because I just did my skincare. And you know, I could like touch my skin and it'll turn red. But I'm getting ready to film a video. I'm actually going to film 2 or 3, just depending on how much time I have and how everything's flowing and all that. I'm trying to get better with my routine. I keep telling you guys, I'm such a night person that me getting up, I'm trying to make myself get up every morning, at least the ones that I'm off, and like go work out, get some things done, film videos, edit videos. And yeah, my schedule with work, I think I talked about this last vlog, it's just all over the place, so it's hard to do that. And so I really wanted to go to the gym and I didn't. I literally woke up, I had coffee, I watched 3 or 4 episodes of A Handmaid's Tale. I actually got a lot farther than I expected. Like, I'm like 2/3 of the way through with the 2nd season. So yeah, it's almost time to be done with that, which is sad. It's a really good show. If you haven't watched it, it can be a little uncomfortable at times, but it's a very good show. So I'm gonna film some videos. I don't think I'm gonna do much else. I really need to go get some groceries, but I don't think I'm gonna do that tonight. And I do work the next 7 days in a row. So I really should go get groceries tonight. Depending on what time I get done, we might go to like Aldi or something and pick some things up. I don't know. Or may just go get dinner and be horrible people, because that's what we do. My Sneeves is such a sweet girl. I'm like, I really got stuff everywhere. I pulled that out just to get some room in my vanity room. I'm doing laundry. Do you hear it? And my vanity room is still a freaking mess. I've got a long way to go. Miss Aminers, hi. Do you want to say hello? Miss Amina kisses. They love that. They usually have somebody sleeping in this chair. I really need to wash makeup brushes. It is really atrocious that I haven't. So I'm gonna film some videos and I will talk to you guys in a little while. I was about to film and realize I don't have a freaking Makeup Revolution foundation, and that was the look I was going for. I also ordered like what was called a blush and contour palette, and it's all blushes, so I really kind of need some contour or bronzer or something. So that's what I'm about to go do. So I'm on my way. I'm definitely gonna swing by Starbucks and get me some fuel.
I look like absolute jack shit right now, but it's okay.
My video was filming my makeup, so when I get home, that's what I'll do.
It's so sweet that you guys are all up in my business when I come home. Just talking. Yeah. You great kitties. Where you going? Gang's all here. Yeah, I see you. Beans. The beans. The beans. Tina, Bobina, Mita, Minas. Where's everybody else? Miss Snoobs! Miss Sniffies! Hi, can we color adjust? Okay. And then we've got Lazy Bones. Hello!
Well, hey guys, it is Friday. I just got off work. I worked, ooh, that sun. I worked 8 to 5 today, and yeah, I'm a little tired. I'm not gonna lie. So I was excited to get off and come home. I had kind of slept rough. I don't know. I did not have a good night of sleep. So I am ready to be home. We're actually gonna go get some Panera in just a little bit. I just laid on my bed, so if this looks weird. So we're gonna go get some Panera. I wanna check Ross for those shoes one more time. I don't remember if I actually wound up putting in the clip talking about those, but they were really cute. I found some like white tennis shoes. They kind of look like Keds but with a thicker sole, and they had a little robot on the toe. It was so cute, and they didn't have my size. I was really sad, and they didn't have anything like nothing I can make work. So I'm gonna check one more time and just see if they have them, because I was so in love with those shoes. And then we're gonna pick up some Panera for dinner. I'm really craving, I think I'm gonna get a Caesar salad, but they also have this strawberry salad that I thought about getting. Can't remember what it's called, but I'm gonna look at the menu. I am going to start editing a video and hopefully get some of that done. I was supposed to go in late tomorrow, but now I'm gonna open. Somebody needed me to switch, which is good for me. That way I'm not working until 10 and then having to be back at 9, which is doable, but it's kind of sucky sometimes. So I'm going to I need to film a little check-in with my foundation and everything for a video that I'm finishing up, and then I will edit my video. I think I'm going to show you guys the Violet Voss stuff, because I still haven't done that. I have like a lot of videos in the works. Like some of them I just have the stuff for, some of them I filmed and I need to edit. I have a really old video from like 2 months ago that I filmed and never edited, because it's we got some pogs, and yeah, I'm excited to edit it, but it's kind of long because I was showing you guys like this big huge package of pogs, and then we actually played, so that's gonna be interesting. I actually need to order the Makeup Revolution foundation, because like an idiot I did that poll and everybody was like Makeup Revolution first, and I sat down, got ready to film it. Did I vlog this? I don't think I did. Maybe I did in the car. But yeah, I realized I didn't have the foundation, and I was like, maybe they don't have a foundation, maybe that's why. But then I look on Ulta's website, and of course they have a stick foundation, and I didn't really want to not include that, because that's like a really big portion of it is your foundation, obviously. And then so I went to the crappy Ulta that's close to me, no offense, and they're just always kind of rude there. I don't know, I just don't have a good experience at that particular location. And of course they piss me off being rude and stuff, and they didn't have it anyway. That didn't piss me off, it's just kind of a bummer. So I filmed something else. It's a long way of saying I filmed a different video, but I just kind of filmed this one up so I have something to edit on and use later. My camera's about to die. I need to plug it in and then start editing on that video, and I will talk to you guys in a little while. Ooh, I'm so sleepy. I need to get to bed early. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Sorry for the rambling. Guys, please try to ignore the shitty lighting and how shiny I am. I've been trying to use less setting powder, and yeah, it just doesn't really work. It's Saturday, no, what day is it? It's Sunday night. My hair is a mess because I rode with the windows down. It's like falling down. And you guys want to know the real story is my hair is being held up with a mascara wand. Yeah, it's Sunday and I am in my vanity room. I thought I would take a few minutes and gather up my makeup brushes and clean some brushes, because I have not cleaned my go-to brushes in quite some time. So I thought I'd quickly show you guys what those are. This whole table's a mess, so I thought I'd just try to get it a little bit better organized and wipe it down. I've got a ton of sponges I need to clean. I've got 2 beauty blenders, and then I have 2 Morphe sponges. So I use this ColourPop flat synthetic brush all the time. It definitely needs a good clean. My favorite eye brushes, the majority of them are Sephora Collection or Morphe, so those are some frequently used ones. This one's also Morphe. It's from a little set. As you can see, that definitely needs a good wash. This is a Real Techniques brush that I bedazzled at some point, and this is the blush. I use it constantly, and I don't really mind if my blushes mix a little bit, because I'm pretty predictable when it comes to my blush. Peachy pinks and pinks are my go-to. This is a Real Techniques eyeshadow brush. I always kind of like this one for darkening up the outer corner. I've got my E17. This guy is so beat up. I think I talked about this in another recent video. I need to order more E17s. I'd like to get 2 or 3 of those because I use them so frequently. See, another Morphe E30. I use that one constantly to lay down a transition or to blend. I've been using this brush. This is one of the Tarte for their Make Believe in Yourself collection. I've been using this a lot to just like dust off powder or to just lightly set my dry areas. A couple of kind of unknown brushes. These are from a set I got at TJ Maxx. They're by this brand, Kala. I do that every time. I'm just gonna say Kala. Morphe has an eye brush set at Ulta. This is all brushes from that, and I do really enjoy this set. Another ColourPop eyeshadow brush, just a really good one. And let's see what else. I've got some of the Real Techniques Brush Crush in the purple, E23 and E27. Those are both really good go-tos. Fluffier blending brushes. I think this is E20. It's the eyebrow one. God, I really need a new one of this too. It's so beat up. This Sephora Collection Small Contour I use regularly just to kind of carve the cheekbones. The Sephora Collection powder I use a lot. These are kind of like a normal powder brush. Doesn't have to be Sephora. My little Wayne Goss brush is forever my favorite for my lower lash line. I love Wayne Goss brushes. I would love to get a ton more. Let's see, Morphe E, is this 25 or 35? I think this is E35 that has this little tiny brush. I've been using this to make little hair strokes in the front of my brows with Dip Brow, and I love it. E36 is another one that I like to use on the lower lash line. This is a Lancome blush brush that I really enjoy contouring my forehead with. E13 is a favorite. This Wet n Wild, I never ever use stippling brushes, but I will use this occasionally to dust off if I have some fallout and I've already done foundation. I've been using this a lot for just an all-over powder brush. This one is a little bit more precise. Sometimes I will set my under eye with this to do a light layer, but this one is also good for like a little precise blush brush. I actually really like this Pro Slanted Buffing number 88 from Sephora. Surprisingly, I love this with Kat Von D. I'm not actually able to buff with it, but literally what I do, I'm going to use this as like my face. So this palette is my face, and I'm literally like just kind of patting and pulling just a little bit, and it works so well. It made me like my Kat Von D foundation even more. My Slanted E21, I actually really like that one. And let's not forget all the ones I've thrown into drawers because I use them. Where's my little MAC 133? I know that bad boy is dirty. There it is. My favorite highlighter. Look at these brushes. What have I been doing? This is empty. This is going to go into a bag of empty products. Am I done? I think I'm done for now because, let's face it. Oh no. She's dusty. These are dusty. I'm just curious. Oh yeah, she dirty. Oh yeah, she dirty. Dirty micro. Dirty sponges. I don't think that one's dirty. I'll leave that one tiny one. So, okay, I'm gonna go clean some stuff. Hey guys, it is Monday morning. Ooh, look at that shine from all the oil I piled on last night. I'm just now waking up and I'm actually not feeling that great today, but I've got a lot of stuff to do regardless. Hey baby, you gonna come get me? Oh, okay. I'm about to have some coffee. I'm going to get this vlog up. It's now Monday vlog, so if you didn't see that, I did put it in the community tab and kind of ask you guys what your thoughts were, what your thoughts were, and I think everybody was just like, it doesn't really matter what day. I think Monday's gonna work out a little bit better because consistently I was having kind of trouble getting it up on Sunday, especially if I work on Sunday. So Monday's going to be easier for me personally, and hopefully you guys will like it too. I'd like to eventually get to the point where like I upload on specific days, be it Monday, Wednesday, Friday, something like that.
Minas. Hi, buddy. Hey. Handsome.
Let's get this Keurig turned on. I gotta pick out a coffee cup. You guys, it's such a problem. Ugh. Maybe I'll do Ravenclaw today. That's what I'll do. And I did wash a ton of brushes last night. I know I kind of like ended that clip and didn't check back in with you guys, but these are all the brushes that I cleaned. And I also washed a bunch of sponges. I actually think I might just get rid of this Morphe one. I didn't like this particular sponge as much as this one, and it fades really bad when you wash, and that gets dry feeling. Please ignore the dirty dishes. But yeah, I cleaned a ton of brushes. You guys know I love pajamas. I'm gonna be incorporating these into a really fun video. I can't wait. There's so much stuff here, guys. I don't even know. Like, it's a problem. This is just stevia. I'm gonna just sprinkle a little bit in there. I'm trying not to use very much. This time we've got the green mountain breakfast blend. It's not really my favorite. I really do prefer the donut shop, but it's okay. And I'm gonna start a little 12. Okay. And then I'm gonna take just a couple of minutes because I didn't clean up my vanity like I said I was. Hi, baby. You in my chair? You got some time. So this is what it's looking like, and I was gonna try to grab some things and put things away really quick. Alright guys, that's a lot better. I still have a lot of stuff to put away. That pile of palettes there, but at least I have a clean surface to work from and I can start fresh with all the clean brushes. I also found another brush that desperately needs to be cleaned. But right now it's time for me to go in that living room, sit down with my laptop and start to edit. I have about an hour and a half, so I'm hoping I can do it. If not, then you guys will see it later tonight, but we're gonna get it up today, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. I love you guys so much, and make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.